Welcome to Retail Resource. My name is Lori, and today we will be unboxing one of our latest mannequins so that you know what to expect when you receive your order. You want to make sure you have a box cutter to prevent any damage to the mannequin. Start out by slicing open the ends. It can be a little tricky, so just watch your fingers. Slice it in the center and the other ends. Okay, when you open the box, you'll notice there will be some foam. Protective foam is very good to keep everything from banging together. We'll take out the first piece, which is in bubble wrap. And a helpful tip would be to make sure your hands are clean before handling the mannequin to prevent any dirt from transferring to the surface. You want to be gentle while taking this off to prevent any scratching as well. We have a right leg. And again, just be gentle. Pull the packaging off. And this looks like we have the head and the torso. Next, this piece is the right arm. And then it looks like we will have the left arm. And again, just remember to be gentle while unpackaging. Some of these can get a little tight. Alright, that's a little tricky. Then we have the waist with the left leg connected. Also be careful about tape so it doesn't get stuck to the surface of the mannequin. Next piece is the right hand. Then we have the left hand. Okay, just when the box looks empty, if not, you'll see foam, but you also want to make sure you clear everything out so you don't throw away any important pieces. The last part is the chrome base, the upright, and the cap rod. That concludes our unboxing. If you're interested in seeing assembly videos or need more information, you can check out our YouTube channel or retailresource.com. If you're interested in purchasing the mannequin we unboxed today, please visit retailresource.com and enter item number 23156. Thank you for watching.